Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Cook with Honey. So today we are going to bake flaky minced beef patties. So let's start making our dough. We need 500 gram of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon of yeast, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and we need 200 to 250 grams of water. We will keep adding our water and keep mixing. We have to make soft dough. Dough is ready. Now we are going to grease this bowl and let this dough rise for 1 hour. Let's start making our filling. Our heat is on medium. We will add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now I am going to add half cup of chopped onion. We don't have to make it brown. We are just making it a little bit soft. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger. I'm going to add 600 gram of minced beef. You can make it with chicken too. Now we can turn our heat on medium and keep frying your beef. Now I will start adding our spices. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of crushed chilies, half teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 2 teaspoon of crushed cumin seed, 1 tablespoon of crushed coriander, 1 green chili chop. I'm going to add half right now and half later. 1 to 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of water and we will cover it for a little bit. Let it cook for 4 minutes. Let's check now. Now we will add half teaspoon of chicken powder, 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander, 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, and now we are just going to strain our beef so we won't have extra grease in it. Our filling is ready. Now we have to let it cool down completely. And now we will begin to make our patties. First we will roll the dough horizontally in a row. Then we will cut the dough in 4 even sections. And now we will make each section into a round ball. And I am taking each section of dough and spreading it out with my fingers. I have 1/4 cup of melted butter and I am going to put some onto our dough and spread it evenly. And sprinkle a little bit of cornstarch over the dough. Now we will fold it horizontally from one side and again fold horizontally from the other side. We will add a little bit more butter and sprinkle more cornstarch, then fold all the way to the other side and add another layer of butter and cornstarch. Roll the dough forward until the end and continue this process of spreading the dough, adding each layer of butter and cornstarch, folding, layering and rolling. This is our filling. We are going to add our remaining green chilies in it, and we are going to mix it. Set aside. We will grease our board and we will spread it with our fingers. We don't have to spread too much, just this much. Now we need some small bowl greased with little bit oil. So we will transfer the dough into the bowl. We will cut the meat into 8 even sections and take one section and fill the dough with it. And now we will pull the edges of the dough evenly to the center and pinch the dough close. Now we need baking tray lined with parchment paper and also greased with little bit oil. Now we are brushing it with little bit of butter. So now we will put this in the oven at 375 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes or until they become golden brown. So they are out of the oven, and brush them with little bit more melted butter. And we are going to plate it. Now my daughter is going to do the taste test.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna be doing the taste test of my mom's recipe. So let's try it. This is what it looks like from the inside. Delicious, delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna taste it now and you guys can hear the crunch. Did you guys hear that crunch? Let me take another bite just in case you guys didn't. This tastes so good, and the inside, the filling has the perfect amount of spiciness and it tastes so good, and the flakiness of the pastry tastes good as well. A1. You guys should definitely try this recipe out and comment down below and let my mom know that you've tried this recipe. Okay, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna continue eating this.
So this is the final product. If you like this recipe, please like, comment and subscribe and enjoy.